Hello and welcome back to The Note, and a happy Easter to all those who celebrate it. Now, it looks as though that includes a lot of people who are trading on the markets because you've had a very quiet day indeed. US markets barely moved. Other stock markets around the world were generally negative, but in general, people don't want to take a strong position ahead of the break. We'll be back with some good analysis of the quarter once Easter is over. For now, I'd like to take up one point that has come up in regards to a piece I wrote in today's paper about bear markets. Many people think it's quite ridiculous to suggest that the US has still stayed in a bear market ever since the top of the dot-com bubble in 2000. I'd quickly like to suggest that it's not ridiculous. If we take a look at this chart, this is the S&P 500 in real terms compared to CPI inflation, and you can see that at this point it is still slightly below where it was at the peak in 2000. Doesn't include dividends, but the actual value of the S&P 500 now is less than it was in real terms back in 2000. Does sound a little bit like a bear market. Now let's compare the S&P 500 in total return terms, this is including dividends, with the Barclays aggregate, the main index for bonds, and you can see that again stocks have radically underperformed bonds over a remarkably long period now. We're still some 20% behind bonds since the top in 2000. Again, I do think it does make some sense to suggest we could meaningfully still be in a bear market for stocks. At least we haven't proved we're out of it. For British viewers, let's take a look at the FTSE. In many ways a similar index to the S&P because it has so many multinational companies in it. Compared to British inflation, you can see that the FTSE is still some 40% below where it was at the top in 2000. That is, it seems to me, is quite plainly still in a very long-term secular bear market. Now, does that mean that there isn't some sense in which we can call the great rally of the last 7 years here in the States a bull market? Of course it doesn't. In some sense, this has been a bull market. You wanted to be in the market for those last 7 years. But it is not out there to suggest we are still in a 16-year bear market. It really could make sense to say that the bear market is still going on.